Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulillah. My dear student, good morning to you all. Today, inshallah, we will continue taking our lesson for the second year. My name is Teacher Inaz al-Hdathi. So I hope you have your books, notebooks and some pencils because we might be doing some writings. As you can see on the screen, we will be starting a new unit. A very good unit. The name of the unit is called Food. So this is the first lesson, lesson number 1. So have your books ready at page 22 and 23. The name is called Food. So let's start, Bismillah. Let's start by revising what we've learned in the previous lesson. In the previous lesson or the previous unit, the name was called Hello. We learned how to greet each other using different greeting words like good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Very good, very good. We left something at page 19. I would like to go through it one more time. So have your books ready at page 19 and let's read together. We will learn how to read words that contains these two parts or these two letters. So the first words I have, or the first two letters I have C and H. The next two words I have is P and H. So how can I pronounce words that has these two letters? So let's read together. I have teacher, cha, teacher, cha. Very good. So if I have C and H together, the sound is cha, cha, teacher. Chair, cha, chair. Very good, very good. Let's go to the next two letters. I have P and H. But if I have P and H together, the sound is fa. The sound is fa. Photo. Photo. Very good. Telephone or phone. Telephone or phone. Very good. So let's go through the words one more time. I have teacher, cha, chair, photo, fa, telephone, telephone. Very good, very good. So now all set. Let's go to the new units. So what are the most important thing we learned in the previous unit? We learned how to use personal pronouns. We said I have I and you, and I must have verb. I am, I read, you are, you cook. And also I have possessive adjectives, my and your, that must be followed or that are followed by noun. My name, my house, your family, your name. Very good. And the last part I have is possessive pronouns, mine and yours, and they are not followed by anything. They are not followed by anything. Let's go to the next one. Also in the previous unit, we learned how to use the singular and plural, right? How to refer to an apple that's close to me, that is far. How to refer to apples close to me, and for by using this, that, these, and those. Very good. Also, we learn the opposite. So let's have this quick exercise. Circle the correct picture. As you can see, let's start with the first picture. Which ball is bigger? So I have two balls. Which one is bigger? Which one is bigger? Help me out. Very good. This is the big ball. Very good. This is the bigger one. Very good. Let's go to the next one. I have two apples. Which one is smaller? Which one is smaller? If you can remember the difference between big and small. Very good. This one is smaller. Now I have this candy jar. Which one is smaller? Which one is smaller? Very good. This is the smaller one. Next one. Which one is bigger? I have two bikes here. Which bike is bigger? Very good. This is the big bike. Very good. And next I have two moons. Which one is smaller? Smaller. This is the small one. Very good. And I have two lamps. Which one is bigger? This is the big lamb. Very good. This is the bigger one. Very good. Very good. Let's go to the next one. So, as I told you before, the name of our new unit is called Food. So we'll be discussing the names of some food. I will give you the difference between singular and plural. So let's start. What do we mean by singular and plural? Okay. So if I'm as you can see here, I have an apple, just one apple. Banana, one banana. Mango, peach, strawberry, all of them I have just one book, one teacher, one car. Very good. So this is the meaning of singular, that I have just one. But let's say I have more than one. I have 2, I have 20, I have 1,000, okay? It will be a plural. So here I have apples, bananas, mangoes, peaches, and strawberries. Very good. So I have more than one. I need you to pay attention. What's the difference between apple and apples? Apple here has no S, while apples has an S. So I just add an S here. Let me use a different color. So I have an S here. I have S with bananas because I have more than one. I have ES with mangoes. I have ES with peaches, and I have IES with strawberries. Very good, very good. Let's go to the next one. So this is the difference between mangoes, between singular and plural. So let's start with the next one. Let's try to do this easy exercise. Choose the correct word. As you can see, I have a mango. Okay, I have a fruit here. So what's the best answer here? Mangoes, mango, or a banana? What do you think? Okay, obviously it's not a banana, right? It's not a banana. Okay, either it's a mango or mangoes. What do you think? Singular or plural? Singular or plural? It's not plural, so it is mango, mango. Just one, just one. Very good, very good. Excellent. Let's go to the next one. For the next one, as you can see, the first picture, I have, choose the correct word. I have oranges, orange, or grapes. What do you think? Obviously, they are not grapes. So what do you think? Oranges, plural, or orange, singular? I have, it's not one. I have a plural. I have 3 oranges, 3 oranges. Very good. Let's go to the next one. I have bananas, pineapple, or pineapples. What do you think? It's not a banana, right? So it's either pineapple, singular, or pineapples. What do you think? I have just one pineapple. Very good. I have just one pineapple. Excellent. Let's go to the next one. Now let's try to do this one. Choose, then write the correct word. As you can see, to your left, I have singular, just one. But to your right, I have more than one. I have up to 3, 6, 5. So let's start. Apple and apples. Apple, singular, so I will write it here. Very good. While apples are plural. So I have apples. Very good. Next, I have banana and bananas. What do you think? Very good. Banana is a singular, so I will write it over here. And bananas are plural. Excellent. Very good. Next one I have lemons and lemon, singular and plural. Here I have just one lemon. And here I have lemons. Very good. The next one I have pear and pears, singular and plural. Very good. This is pear. And these are pears. Very good, very good. So this is the difference between singular and plural. Let's go to the next one. Now we'll be focusing on singular nouns, okay? Let me tell you why is that. We will be learning now how to use an article in front of singular noun, not plural, singular. So apple, egg, book, teacher, car, just one, okay? So as you can see to your left, I have A followed by a consonant. I have A followed by a consonant. A lamb, a door, a house, a bag, a tomato. As you can see, all the red letters are consonants. Okay, but if we move to the next side, I have an plus a vowel. What are the vowels or the English vowels? I have an, apple, elephant, ice cream, orange, and umbrella. All the red letters are vowels. So it will be much easier to learn the vowels in English because I have only 5 vowels. Let me give you my way or my trick how to remember the vowels in English. I like to draw this face. This will represent an O, E, A as the eyes, and here you go. These are the English vowels, okay? That has 5 letters. So let's try to read them together. O, E, A, I, and U. All the other letters are called consonant letters. Consonant letters. So if I have singular and it starts, let's say, with the letter T, I will use a table, a desk, okay? But if I have these letters, the vowels, it should start with the article an. Let's go to the next one. Let's have more examples now. So, as you can see, I have this now, and I need you to help me with these letters. The first one I have is apple. So, apple starts with A. Is it a consonant or a vowel? We don't know. Let's check. As you can see, it's a vowel. So, the article will be an apple. Don't forget, it has to be just one, singular, just one apple, okay? Next one I have elephant. An elephant, very good. The next one I have is cat, C. I cannot see it here, so most probably it's a consonant, so a cat, very good. Ice cream, it starts with the letter I, ice cream, just one. An ice cream, very good. So let's read the words. I have an apple, an elephant, a cat, an ice cream. Very good, very good. Let's go to the next one. Let's try to do this. If we can do it all, or we'll get back to it. Let's have the first one. I have orange. What do you think, my dear student? A or an? Excellent. An orange. Remember, I must have one. Apple. An apple. Very good. Umbrella. An umbrella. Very good. A rabbit. It starts with an R. A rabbit. Very good. Bus. A bus. Very good. Igloo. An igloo. A giraffe. A banana. An uncle. And a flower. So, in order to choose the perfect article, I must look at the first word at the noun. If it's a consonant, you will go with A. If it's a vowel, you will choose an. Very good. Let's go to the next one. Now, have your books ready. I will have it zoomed in a minute. At page 22, please. Let's try to read together. As you can see, this is page 22. Let's try to read together. Read and match. I have 4 pictures and 4 sentences. This is an olive. So I have one olive. These are olives. This is a watermelon. These are watermelons. Okay, let's try to match together. This is an olive. Where's the olive? I have just one olive. Very good. This is number 1. This is an olive. How about the olives? My dear student, where are they? Very good. These are olives. Plural, not singular, plural. Number 3, this is a watermelon. I have just one, a watermelon. Very good. This is number 3. And this is number 4, watermelons. I have it here as a plural. Remember, I only use the article a and an with singular, okay? Let's go to the next one. This is the next part. Let's try to read together. As you can see, I have different kind of food. Let's read together. Grapes, dates, ice cream, tomatoes, bananas. Let's read them one more time. Grapes, dates, ice cream, tomatoes, and bananas. Very good. Let's go to the conversation between this boy and the girl. Are there any grapes? Yes, there are. Is there a watermelon? No, there isn't. Let's read it one more time. Are there any grapes? Yes, there are. Is there a watermelon? No, There isn't. Very good, very good. Let's go to the next page. We have this at page 23. Again, I will have it zoomed in a minute, but I need you to have it ready and with some pencil if you want to take some notes. So let's go to the next slide. This is page 23. So let's read together. Number 3. This is an apple. Now, how many apples can you see? I can see just one apple. So because of that, I'll be using the article an, because it starts with a vowel, a. An apple. Very good. This is an orange. How many orange? I can see just one. An orange. Very good. This is a banana. I can see one single banana. This is an egg. Very good. So here we used the article a and an, depending on the letter that start the next or the following nouns. But let's go to the pictures underneath. These are apples. Plural. Plural, not one. Plural. I have more than one apple, so no need for the article. These are oranges. These are oranges. Here I have S for plural. Here also I have S for the plural. These are eggs. So as you can see, I have an S here. But here, I don't have S because I just have one egg. But here with the next picture, I have eggs. Very good. The next 4 pictures, let's read together. Eggs, bananas, oranges, apples, apricots. Very good. And apricots. Let's go to the next one. So this is the last part, or this is the last half. Let's read together. How many eggs are there? How many eggs are there? There are 5 eggs. So eggs here ends with S. That means it's not singular, it is plural. Very good. Okay. Underneath I have the articles. Number 4. This is very important. This is very important. So let's read together. Identifying article. As you can see, I have a and an. When do I use a? He gave me 2 examples here. A book, a watermelon. Remember, I use them only with singular, just one. A book, a watermelon. An egg, an apple. An egg, an apple. He gave us here all the English letters. To your left, I have an comes with the words that start with A, E, I, O, U, and these we call the vowels, the English vowels. But to your right, I have A. They must precede or comes before the letters or the words that start with these letters, the consonant. I have Z, X, Y, V, T, S, and so on. Okay, so let's try to remember what we've learned in this lesson. In this lesson, we talked about singular and plural. Apple, apples. Lemon, lemons. Very good. Also, we talked about 2 articles, a and an. When do I use them? I use them in front of vowel or in front of nouns that start with certain letters. A before consonants and an before the nouns. So that was our lesson. Until I see you next time, stay safe. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.